All right, guys, this is Trey Snodgrass real quick, and I wanted to shoot this video as I am setting up my legacy for my daughter. I'm going to show you the power of using an E-code, how simple it is, how quick it is, and this is the best way to help your new members get started as quickly as possible and to lock in their spot in this power line before that Saturday deadline, okay? So in order to do this, you'll need to have the funds available in your cash wallet or your e-wallet. And hopefully you've been advised on how to do that by your sponsor. And right now, this account is brand new, so I only have one active recruit here right now. And once I complete this transaction for my daughter, it'll show two. We'll go from there. So what I'm going to do is go over here. If you were to create the E-code, you would just enter in however many you want, and then you'd enter in your password, and then hit submit, and it will be created. But since I've already created one, it's already here. It's already active. So all you will do is just copy this E-code number right here, and you will email it to the person that you are sharing the code with. What I'm planning to do, I generated an email template just a moment ago, so you can kind of see that template here. And if you've joined with me, you'll see this by email in a moment. So it just says, hello, first name of the person that's joining. I'm very excited to help you get locked in with my legacy. As discussed, here's the E-code to lock in your top spot in our matrix and our power line, and use this E-code, and this is where you'll paste the E-code number that they will use. And once you've entered in the E-code, you will immediately be confirmed as a paid member and now eligible to earn from anyone who joins after you and who falls into your matrix. And also remember, you will now earn $12.50 per direct referral, which is still exciting, plus more spillover and matching bonuses. The sky is truly the limit with my legacy, and as discussed, and usually, go ahead and fix that, I will have already had this conversation with the person. As discussed, please be sure to reimburse $28 for the E-code, and that covers any of the fees that are necessary to purchase the E-codes, the transactions, and so forth. And that includes the $20 one time and the $5 for the first month. So they're basically paying for their membership to get locked in by just reimbursing this cost. And I give them several different options to choose from. They can send it to me by Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Zelle. And so they reimbursed me for the E-code. I purchased the E-code for the $25 plus the fees. They're going to use the E-code, and then they will be given access. It's as easy as that. So you send this email. Okay, so I have logged into my daughter's account. She's the one that I'm using for the test. And that's the thing about it. This really is a chance for you to build a legacy for your family. So obviously my son and my daughter were my first two people that I registered so that I can start helping them build a long-term residual income using this system very passively. So I encourage you to do the same. But anyway, all you will simply do, or all that person will simply do, is come to the big red button that says upgrade your account. And to select the preferred upgrade method, we're going to select E-code. Just remove the username. It's automatically put there. So just remove it, and then just paste that E-code number in this box and then verify it. There you can see it's a valid E-code, and then you enter in your password if it's not already entered, and just click upgrade. It's that easy. Hit the OK button, and there it is. As you can see, this account has now been upgraded, and now my daughter has her position confirmed. And if I go to her dashboard, and as you can see, she is now active. Okay. Now, if I were to go to her power line, and keep in mind, she just joined today, and she already has 25 pre-enrollees that are already falling underneath her in her power line. But as you can see, she is now paid, and she already has one paid member who is in her downline, her power line. And more than likely, several of these 25 will upgrade before Saturday. Today is just Tuesday, so it's still early in the week. But that's how easy it is. That's how powerful it is. Now, keep in mind, just using this as an example, had she not confirmed her spot, even though this person is underneath her, because they did upgrade, if she hadn't upgraded by Saturday night at midnight, then this person would have jumped over her, and she would have missed out on having this person available in her power line. So that's the importance of making sure that you go ahead and lock in your spots. And as you can see, this thing is already blowing up worldwide. Most of the people are in other countries, but the United States is slowly beginning to catch steam. But our team is going to lead the charge because we're in before anyone else knows about it. Okay, so this is her account. Let me go back to my account, and you should now see that change made over there as well. All right, so I've logged back in, and as you can see, it still has not upgraded yet. Keep in mind, that doesn't take place officially until midnight Saturday. All of the referrals who've upgraded for the week will be confirmed at that time. But what you can see is that right here where it says she was a pre-enrollee and it said unpaid before, it now says that she is paid. So that's letting me know that that has already been solidified, and this person will be confirmed when all of the updates are made midnight on Saturday. So that's it. That's how easy, that's how simple it is. This process makes it so much easier to get everybody locked in, to get everybody confirmed. And then later on, you can take time to help them get their e-wallets set up, their crypto wallet, so that they can be paid and all of those things. We'll be doing training calls on that much later on, but that's not needed initially to get up and going. The main thing is they want to lock in their spot and get in position in this matrix as quickly as possible. All right, so I'm going to bring this to an end. I just wanted to show you step by step what to do, how to do it, and I'll be sharing this with people as they join, and you can share it with them as well. All right, I hope it's a help to you. Take care, and again, welcome to our My Legacy team.